Top 5 Lessons from Market Wizards, Jack Schwager. Every trader dreams of consistency. A steady account balance, predictable gains, and finally, freedom from the emotional rollercoaster. But here's the truth: Jack Schwager uncovered in Market Wizards, the world's best traders, people like Paul Tudor Jones, Bruce Kovner, and Ed Seykota, have almost nothing in common. Not age. Not education. Not even personality. What they do share are a few timeless principles that separate winners from the millions who fail. And today, I break down the top 5 lessons from Market Wizards, lessons that every trader at AFTechTrades should know and practice daily. Let's start with the first lesson.
Lesson number 1. There is no perfect strategy. Many beginners think there's a holy grail, a single system, indicator, or secret that guarantees profits. But when Schwager interviewed top traders, he discovered something counterintuitive: they use completely different approaches. Some are trend followers. Others are scalpers, jumping in and out of the market in seconds. Some rely on fundamentals, others on intuition honed by years of experience. What unites them is discipline, not strategy. For example, Ed Seykota, one of the most famous trend followers, once said he could make profits even with a mediocre system if he stuck to it consistently. Conversely, a brilliant system fails without discipline. So, here's the actionable tip for you. Choose one approach that fits your personality. Learn it inside out. Trade it consistently. Don't hop between methods chasing the next big win. That's a fast track to blowing your account. At AFTechTrades, we always say, master your method, not the market. One trader Schwager spoke with tried dozens of indicators early in his career. Nothing worked. Then he chose one simple trend following system, committed to it, and transformed his account in under 3 years. Discipline beats intelligence. Always. The greatest traders aren't obsessed with winning big, they're obsessed with not losing big. Paul Tudor Jones said it best. I am always thinking about losing money, not making money. It sounds simple, but this mindset is rare. Most traders focus on profits, then wonder why their accounts blow up. Here's how top traders manage risk. They define maximum loss per trade, often 1 to 2% of their account. They size positions according to volatility, never greed. They know when to walk away. Bruce Kovner, for example, would never risk more than 2% of his capital on a single trade. That restraint allowed him to survive losses that would have crushed other traders. Actionable tip. Before opening any trade, ask yourself, if I lose, will it hurt my account significantly? If yes, don't take it. Open your trading journal and write down your personal risk limits. Stick to them like your life depends on it, because it does. In trading, your account is your life. Lesson number 3. Trading is a mental game. Schwager noticed the pattern: fear, impatience, FOMO, and revenge trading destroy more accounts than bad strategies ever could. The pros. They detach emotionally. The market can hit a losing streak of 10 trades, and they don't flinch. Here's the secret. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Follow your rules, always. Treat each trade as just one data point, not a life or death event. For example, Michael Marcus, another market wizard, once had a string of losses that would terrify most traders. But he stuck to his plan, and within a few months, those small losses turned into huge wins. Your brain will resist discipline, it wants instant gratification. That's why mindset matters more than IQ, indicators, or systems. AFTechTrades tip. Meditate on your trading rules daily. Visualize executing trades calmly. Build a mindset that no loss can shake. Lesson 4. Flexibility is power. Top traders adapt. They don't cling to positions, biases, or predictions. When conditions change, they adjust risk. They change strategy. Or they simply sit out and wait for clarity. Rigidity destroys traders. Flexibility keeps you alive. One market wizard explained, "I never feel embarrassed to admit the market was right and I was wrong. Adapting quickly is the difference between surviving and going broke." Actionable tip: always have a plan B. Know the conditions under which you will exit, adjust, or pause your trading. Flexibility is not weakness, it's intelligence in action. Lesson 5. Intelligence matters less than patience. Many traders think they must constantly trade to profit. The market wizards prove the opposite. Patience compounds wealth. They wait for high probability setups and ignore noise. One trader Schwager interviewed said, "My biggest profits came from waiting, not trading." Here's how to practice patience. Limit yourself to 1 to 2 high-quality trades per day or week. Avoid chasing the market. Trust that the right setup will come over and over. AFTechTrades philosophy: trade smart, not often. So, these are the 5 biggest lessons from market wizards. 1. There is no perfect strategy. 2. Risk management is the real edge. 3. Your mindset determines your results. 4. Flexibility is power. 5. Patience pays more than intelligence. No holy grail. No secret indicator. Just discipline, psychology, risk control, adaptability, and patience. Apply even one of these lessons consistently, and your trading will change forever. This is AFTechTrades, helping you trade smarter, not harder. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so we can bring you more deep dives from the greatest traders of all time.